In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Revolut Business account LIC 2025, step by step. First, open your web browser and search for Revolut Business. From the search results, head to the official Revolut Business website. On the home page, look for the option to create an account and click it. When prompted to choose your country, select United States, then continue. Next, you'll be asked to pick your legal business type. Choose the option that matches your registered entity, such as LLC, corporation, partnership, or sole proprietor. It's important that this matches your official formation documents so verification goes smoothly. Click Continue, enter your work email address and continue. Now check your inbox for a message from Revolut and authorize the login using the link or code they provide. This confirms you have access to that email. Back on the site, enter your phone number. Make sure the correct country code is selected before you proceed, then continue. You'll receive a verification code by text. Enter that code to confirm your number. Create a secure password you'll remember. Use a mix of characters and avoid personal details. Continue. You'll then be asked for your date of birth. This should belong to the person acting as the authorized representative. Make sure it matches your ID, then continue. Provide your residential address. Use a full, accurate address that can be matched against public records or your identification. Continue. Search for your business's legal name exactly as it appears on your registration. Select the correct result and continue. Now enter your business details, the legal name, your company registration number, and the date of incorporation. In the US, this could be your state file or registration number. If your documents list a different identifier, use the official one from your formation paperwork. Continue. Enter the business address, including city and zip code. If your trading address differs from your registered address, use the one Revolut asks for on this page, typically the registered business address. Continue. You'll now verify your identity, have your government-issued ID ready, and make sure you're in a well-lit area. Continue. Choose the ID type you'll use, such as a passport or driver's license, and follow the on-screen prompts. When asked, start the video recording for the liveness check. Hold your device steady, center your face, and complete any movements or phrases the system requests. Once your verification is submitted, you'll be taken to your dashboard when approval completes. That means your Revolut business account setup is done and you're ready to proceed.